If you want to get a good quality off-road car parts according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have First Alert Fire Extinguisher AUTO5. The First Alert Fire Extinguisher AUTO5 is a great product that offers reliable protection for your vehicle. It is designed to fight common fires that may occur in cars, trucks, boats, and other vehicles. The extinguisher is compact, easy to use, and can be stored in the trunk or under the seat of your car. It features a metal pull pin with a safety seal to prevent accidental discharge, and a pressure gauge to indicate if the extinguisher is in good working condition. The Auto 5 uses a dry chemical extinguishing agent that is effective against Class B and C fires, including gasoline, oil, and electrical fires. Overall, the First Alert Fire Extinguisher AUTO5 is a smart investment that can give you peace of mind while driving or traveling. Moving on to the next at number 2 with FloTool 11912 ABMI Vehicle Ramp Pair. The FloTool 11912 ABMI Vehicle Ramp Pair is a great addition to any garage or home mechanics toolkit. These ramps are made from high-quality, durable plastic that can support up to 16,000 pounds of weight. They are lightweight, easy to handle, and can be stacked for convenient storage. The ramps are designed to give you easy access to the underside of your vehicle, making it easier to perform maintenance tasks such as oil changes or brake repairs. They also have a non-skid surface that provides extra traction, ensuring that your vehicle stays in place while you work. One of the best things about the FloTool 11912 ABMI Vehicle Ramp Pair is that they are affordable and provide excellent value for money. Overall, these ramps are a must-have for any DIY mechanic or car enthusiast looking for an easy and safe way to work on their vehicles. The number 3 position is held by Nilight 90021B LED Light Bar. The Nilight 90021B LED Light Bar is a powerful and versatile lighting solution for your vehicle. It is built with high-quality materials, including a sturdy aluminum housing and shatterproof lenses, to ensure durability and longevity. The light bar features 2 rows of high-intensity LED lights that produce a bright and wide beam pattern, making it perfect for off-road adventures, camping trips, and emergency situations. It is also waterproof and dustproof, allowing it to withstand harsh weather conditions and environments. The Nilight 90021B LED light bar comes with adjustable mounting brackets that make installation easy and customizable. Additionally, the light bar is energy efficient, so it won't drain your vehicle's battery. Overall, the Nilight 90021B LED light bar is a great investment for anyone looking for a reliable and durable lighting solution for their vehicle. Next at number 4 we have Powerbuilt Bottle Jack 640471. The Powerbuilt Bottle Jack 640471 is an excellent tool for anyone who needs to lift heavy loads. It is built with high-quality materials and is designed to provide reliable and durable performance. The jack has a lifting capacity of up to 4 tons, making it ideal for lifting cars, trucks, trailers, and other heavy objects. It features a wide, rugged base that provides stability and support during use, and a hydraulic system that allows for smooth and easy lifting. The bottle jack also has a built-in safety valve that prevents overloading and a release valve that ensures controlled lowering. It is compact and easy to store, making it a convenient tool to have in your garage or trunk. Additionally, the Powerbuilt Bottle Jack 640471 is backed by a 1-year warranty, giving you added peace of mind. Overall, this bottle jack is a reliable and effective tool that can handle all your heavy lifting needs. Finally, the number 5 position is held by Boulder Tools Tire Deflator. The Boulder Tools Tire Deflator is an excellent tool for anyone who needs to deflate their tires quickly and accurately. It is designed with high-quality materials and is built to last. The deflator features a solid brass body and a corrosion-resistant stainless steel core that ensures durability and longevity. It also has a large, easy-to-read dial that displays the tire pressure, allowing for precise and accurate deflation. The deflator is compatible with all standard valve stems and comes with 4 valve caps to prevent debris from entering the valve. It also has an easy-to-use thumb trigger that allows for a quick and smooth deflation process. The Boulder Tools Tire Deflator is compact and easy to store, making it a convenient tool to have on hand for off-road adventures or camping trips. Overall, This deflator is a reliable and effective tool that can help you achieve the perfect tire pressure for your vehicle. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.